let's take a look at phase two. Out of the 88 seats that went to polls in phase two, the BJP had won 44 in 2014 and 53 in 2019. Congress had won 19 seats in 2014 and 18 seats in 2019. Now, this clearly shows that the BJP had increased its sway in 2019 from where it was in 2014. Now, in 2024, for the BJP, it's facing a tough fight in at least 11 such seats. That is the way things are being looked at, just from the ground reports where our reporters have been. 102 and 88, that's 190 seats. And this is when the whole conversation turned towards what everybody calls a classic case of polarization in Banaswara, where the Prime Minister spoke about redistribution of wealth as well as talking about Mangal Sutra and other such things. Gaurav Bhatia, do you think at the end of phase one, there was a little bit of mixed feelings because of the low voter turnout and therefore things heated up for phase two?
Navika, with utmost respect to you and the statement that you made that in the first phase there was rhetoric of 400 plus. Even today, with some responsibility as the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, I must tell you, 400 plus will become a reality on 4th of June. And there is no rhetoric behind it. One thing is clear, that Narendra Modi ji will be taking oath as the Prime Minister of our country after the 4th of June. What is it that the BJP offered to the people of the country? Why they believe in the leadership or the trio of Shri Narendra Modi ji, the National President JP Nadda ji and Amit Shah ji? I think it is a clear-cut strategy, a lot of clarity in engaging with the voters, placing the report card of the last 10 years, and yes, when the need be, attack also. Attack why? Because when you say that there has been a lot of polarization in the subsequent phases, let's not forget, a Jinnah manifesto was released by the Congress party where the Bharatiya Janata Party raised objections, and rightly so, because it was against the constitution of our country. Like saying that reservation on the basis of religion can't be permitted under the constitution. Narendra Modi ji, as a person having faith in the constitution, exposed the Congress and they were on the back foot after that. Let us also not forget, where we have a clear-cut leader available in the NDA, the Ghamandia could not even come up with a leader's name. They have no common minimum program. They were always on the defensive because they had nothing to talk about. They had no achievements to share with the people. And that is why the difference is very visible. And I must say that two things that have really stood out. I think when it comes to Narendra Modi ji, he has made very relevant remarks on each issue which concerns the common citizenry. And it has resonated with the common man. On the other side, what have we seen? Examine that. Rahul Gandhi, he said, यूपी के लड़के नशेड़ी होते हैं. Sam Pitroda comparing an Indian with a Chinese, saying the Northeast Indians are like Chinese. Sam Pitroda saying inheritance tax is good, and they're later being sacked by the Congress party. And other senior leaders like Akhilesh Yadav endorsing vote jihad. So the point is, on one side is clarity, on the other side is confusion. And today when you talk about khatakat, which I heard from Priyanka Vadra Gandhi also, let us remember the Indian politics has become very simple. It is not the politics of Rahul's dimple or somebody else's pimple. It is very clear that you have to talk about issues, and these slogans like khatakat fail. I must end by saying, in 2017 UP elections, Rahul Gandhi said, 27 saal UP Bihar took a U-turn. He failed. 2019, what was Ab Hoga Nyay? The UPA failed again. Then 2022, ladki hu lad sakti hu. We all know what happened to Radhika Khera and others. And Priyanka Vadra was quiet. So these slogans don't work until unless you can support them with some solid work that you have done on ground and you can inspire confidence.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।